Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, still on the tutorial on statistics, episode number 25. I believe at this point you are able to watch all the episode or at least 20 of them. We are continuing on the assume mean approach. So the deviation of a 6 numbers from 12 are given in this form. We have to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. Now, take your time and look at the question again and see how we can get it. There are two ways we can follow. The one way is under the assume mean, that is trying to get these values you are seeing here shows the deviation, because this is the mean. This is the mean we are assuming. Because if this were to be the mean, you will not be asked to find the mean again. You understand? If the question was to say find the mean and the mean has been given, then there is no need to find the mean. So this is the assume mean. So we can use the assume mean approach. What can we do from here? Remember, to find the mean, meaning actual mean, is the assume mean plus, since this is a raw data, it will be sigma d over n. Remember, the other one is sigma what? Fd. But here we are dealing with only the sigma d. So what do we need? We need a d, which is already given here. We need an n, which is already given as what? 6. So we can follow 2. Can I draw a table? Okay, let's make a table form where we indicate our d. Roughly, I have negative, so let's start from the top. Okay, -4, -3. I'm having 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I am going for d square because of the standard deviation. The d square will be 16, 9, 0, 1, 4, and what? 9. Let's cap it here and have our sigma d, adding all of them. Remember, the whole of this will be giving you 6. The whole of this will be giving you -7. So -7 plus 6 will give you -1. Then in the case of this is 20, 20 plus this 30, 39. So sigma d square will become what? 39. All right. So if that is true, coming back to this place, our mean will be A. Where is the A? Let me indicate it somewhere. Where our A is given as what? 12, because the A is the assumption of the mean. So 12 plus -1 over 6. The n is 6, right? What do I have? This is going to be like 12 minus 1 over 6. So from here, we can find our mean to be equals to, this could be 72, I think it was, let's check, 72 minus 1, 71 divided by 6, and that will be giving us 11.8 what? Okay, you see we are leaving it to what? 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. So we can leave our answer in this form, that is 3 significant figures. All right. What is next to find? The next one is to find standard deviation. So number 2, your standard deviation will be the root of, can we take it to the top? Okay, let's go this way. Sigma d square over n minus, how do we find the mean? Sigma d over n, or square. So let's do that substitution. We have 39 over 6 minus d will be, okay, let's bring it here, -1 over 6, or square. So in that bracket, let's use a different marker to distinguish that. If I have 39 divided by 6, I should be having 6 points. So our SD will just be the root of 6.5. This is going, okay, it will still be minus because 1 square, negative 1 square will be 1. Then 6 square. So 1 divided by 36, that will be 0.02778. I think it will be best if we put all in a calculator to absorb all the negative, all the decimal places we are going to truncate. So I am going to have the square root of 39 divided by 6 minus, what do you have? Negative 1 divided by 6 all square. And if you do that, we should be having our answer to be 2.54 if we are moving it to only 3 significant figures. All right. So this approach is when we want to apply the concept of assume mean because of the A here. So we will move ahead with the D, which is showing the elimination of the X. If you check episode 20, I think 24, you will see that, no, 23, you see that the formula eliminates the X. There is no X in the formula for both the mean, the variance, and what? Standard deviation. So let's see how we can work with the second method without going through this approach. Okay, remember that the D aspect that we have is the X minus what? The assumed mean. So from this question, the D has been given. These are the deviation. Then the X, we don't know the X values, but we know the assumed mean. So if I'm looking for X, X will be equals to D plus what? The assumed mean. So that means that my X values that are going to be the assumed mean 12 plus what? The D plus 12. That will give me 8. Then this plus 12 will give you 15 plus 12 will give you 14 plus 12 will be 12. Let's continue to this side. Plus 12 will be 13. Plus 12 will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the X values. So if I have my X values, writing them in ascending order, that's ascending order, yes. So we have 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, and what? 15. Then what next? We need to have our X squared. Squaring all these will be 64, 81, 144, 169, 196, and 225. In finding the mean, remember the mean is just going to be the summation of X over what? N. We can find the mean using the sigma X. That is from ungroup data, what do you call it? Raw data. We have this. Then your standard deviation is also the square root of the sigma X squared over N minus what? The mean. And the mean is just this. So these are the values we need. So what do we do? Let's go straight forward and find their total. Here, sigma X. Here, sigma X squared. Let's add all these and all of them and see their value. Okay, so total of this 71. Total of this will give us this. So let's take it one by one, going with the mean. So this is going to be the mean equals to sigma X over what? N. and sigma x is 71 over 6. Remember, 71 over 6 was what we got in the first place. That was 11.8, which is the same thing we had in the beginning. So I can use this approach and get my mean to be 11.8, just like the first one. Then for the second one, your standard deviation is the square root of what we are having here, sigma x squared over n minus sigma x over n, all square. So we go for this square root of 879 divided by n, which is 6. I can just put 11.8, but that one is approximation, so let's use the whole one. 71 over 6, all what? Square. At this point, I'm going to put everything, okay? Let's go step by step. So we have 879 divided by 6. So I'll be having the root of 146.5 minus, if I have 71 divided by 6 all square, that will give me 140.027772 So let's see what that will give us if we put it under the root. 146.5 minus 140.02778. That will be the root of 6.47222 recurring. Let's try that under the root, 6.47222. And that also brings us back to 2.54 with 3 significant word figures. So let's clear this area and see. Now, looking at the two method, you have to choose your preference. Here, there is no restriction. The question is just asking for the mean. So you can either use the assume mean approach, which is using the D with elimination of X. Use that approach to get your answer, or you use the same assume mean division here, subtraction here, to get your X values. So when you get the X values, then you can use the raw data formula for both the mean and that of what? The standard deviation. At this point, I believe the concept of the two is clear. The one that you prefer, I want to hear your thought in the comment section. Which of the two methods resonates, or it's a lot easier for you to do? Let me know in the comment section. Share the video, like the video, comment, and subscribe.